Hi guys, it's Ben from Smith's Estate Agents. You join me today at a stunning 4-bedroom pub conversion property. We are just outside Ammanford in Cwmgors. You need to take a look at this. So you join me in the main room of the property. We've got an excellent dining area here, a huge reception hallway, and follow me. So we are in the games room right now, which is equipped for the most discerning buyers. Children will love it, adults will love it. There's a gym behind me, and one of the bedrooms even has its own loft room. So you join me in the kitchen where we've got granite worktops, we've got oak units, we've got a Rangemaster induction hob, and behind me a large utility space. You join me upstairs, guys, where we've got 4 very large double bedrooms, each of them with its own ensuite. There you have it, guys, a stunning, unique property. Take a look at the stonework, take a look at the woodwork. It is absolutely beautiful. I'd love for you to come and see it.